Creating your first tutorial video can be a fun and rewarding experience. Whether you want to teach a specific skill, share knowledge, or demonstrate a process, here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Plan your content. Define the topic of your tutorial. What knowledge or skill are you going to share? Outline the main points you want to cover. A clear and organized structure will make your video more effective. Step 2. Script or outline. Write a script or create an outline that covers the key points and details you want to convey in your tutorial. This will help you stay on track during filming. Step 3. Gather equipment such as camera. You can use a smartphone, webcam, or a dedicated camera for recording. Ensure good video quality. Microphone. Clear audio is crucial. Invest in an external microphone if possible. Tripod or stabilizer. Keep your camera steady to avoid shaky footage. Step 4. Lighting. Use natural light or invest in basic lighting equipment for a well-lit video. Step 5. Choose a location. Find a quiet, well-lit location with minimal background distractions. A tidy and organized background is preferable. Step 6. Set up your equipment. Position your camera at eye level. Test your microphone and ensure it's working correctly. Check your camera settings, like resolution, frame rate, and focus. Step 7. Record your video. Start recording and follow your script or outline. Speak clearly and at a comfortable pace. If you make mistakes, pause, and then resume from the previous correct point. Keep your audience engaged by using visuals, graphics, and practical examples where applicable. Step 8. Edit your video. Use video editing software, such as TechSmith Camtasia, Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or free options like DaVinci Resolve, or iMovie, to edit your video. Step 9. Trim unnecessary footage, add transitions, insert text or graphics, and improve audio quality. Ensure your video flows smoothly and maintains viewer engagement. Step 10. Add visuals and graphics. Enhance your tutorial with visuals like graphics, images, or on-screen annotations to illustrate your points. Step 11. Export your video. Export your video in a suitable format and resolution for your target platform, for example YouTube, Vimeo, or social media. Step 12. Optimize your video settings for quality and file size. Step 13. Upload and share. Upload your tutorial video to your chosen platform. Step 14. Write a compelling title, description, and tags that accurately describe your content. Step 15. Share your video on social media and with your target audience. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments and questions from your viewers. Consider making follow-up videos or creating a community around your tutorials. Learn and improve. Analyze viewer feedback and statistics to improve your future tutorials. Continue to refine your content and presentation skills over time. Remember that practice makes perfect, and your video creation skills will improve with each project. Don't be discouraged by early challenges. Keep learning and refining your approach to create even more engaging tutorial videos in the future. Feel free to drop a comment below if you'd like additional assistance or if you'd appreciate a more comprehensive step-by-step video on this topic. Before you go, just a friendly reminder, subscribing is a cool thing to do. It's just like adding an extra sprinkle of awesomeness to your day. Follow me for more videos.